Welcome to 57th Weekly Maths Challenge. Before I show you the question, as always, I want to mention a few points. There is going to be one question posted every Wednesday, US time. I want you to comment your answer along with an explanation below, keeping in mind that only unedited, non-reply comments will be accepted. The first 10 people to correctly answer the question will be recognized in the next video like this. Congratulations, Gabriel N, for being the very first person to correctly answer last week's challenge. Let's recognize 8 more people. Congratulations, Fruithead123, Zain Majumder, L4WLIP0P. Congratulations, attyfarbuckle, Wilhelm Zapiain, Bintang Alam Semesta W.A.M. Congratulations, Atharva #breakthrough. And last but not least, Sourin Chatterjee. Congratulations to every single one. Now let's get to this week's challenge. Define the function f from the set of integers to set 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 such that f of x is the remainder when x is divided by 5. Let capital S sub n be the summation from a equals to 1 to n of summation from b equals to 1 to n of a function evaluated at a to the b minus 1 power plus a to the b plus a to the b plus 1 plus a to the b plus 2 for n belonging to a set of positive integers. If n is equal to 5k plus 3, for some non-negative integer k, prove that capital S sub n can be written as alpha plus beta times k plus gamma times k squared for real alpha, beta, gamma, and find alpha, beta, and gamma.